Okay, student, I am Ravindra Khandelwal again before you with a new exercise 1.6 of class 9 from NCERT book, number system chapter name. The first sum is saying you have to find out the value of the 16 raised to power half, 32 raised to power 1/5 and 125 raised to power 1/3. So how to find out the value of these? I'm going to tell you guys how to find out the value of these. Okay, so you know the prime factorization of the number. Okay, first of all you can do like that. Okay, suppose, okay, I can do it directly, but you are a student, so I will do it as you have to. So you have to prime factorize of the 64. So you know 64 can be right here like this, okay. So 64 can be right here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you know I'm going to solve here solution 1. So 64 raised to power half will be 64 can be right here 2 raised to power 6. Okay, because there are 2 raised to power 6 and raised to power half. So my student, you must know this: if a raised to power m and raised to power n will be a raised to power m into n. Similarly, this is a raised to power m and raised to power n. So this one becomes the 6 into 1 by 3. Oh, sorry, 1 by 2. It means this is 2 1 ja 3 ja. So result is 2 raised to power 3, and you know again 2 into 2 into 2. So result is 8 answer. So your answer is 8. I think you have got it. So I am going to next sum. Okay, so I am going to rub it. I think you have got it. Now for the second part. This is your 32 raised to power 1 upon 5. Similarly, 32 is 2 raised to power 5 and again 1 upon 5. And you know, similarly, a raised to power m and raised to power n will be a raised to power m into n. Okay, students. So this is your 2 raised to power 5 into 1 upon 5. So 5 1 ja 1 ja. So this is 2 raised to power 1. It is 2 answer. I think you have got it. Remaining this sum you have to try yourself. Okay, student. Again you have to find out 9 raised to power 3 upon 2. So what to do? This 9 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 2, and again this is 3 by 2. So this can be written as 2 into 3 by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. So this remains 3 raised to power 3. So 3 raised to power 3 is 27. Okay, how? 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27 answer. So its result is 27. Now I am going for second part. Okay, second part, 2 upon 5. Okay, I am going for fourth part. Okay, second and third you have to try yourself. Okay, I am going to do this sum and raised to power minus 1 upon 3. Similarly, this is, okay, 5 raised to power 3 raised to power minus 1 upon 3. So 5 raised to power 3 into minus 1 upon 3. So this is 5 raised to power minus 1. So okay, so this is, if there you know a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. So this is 1 upon 5 raised to power 1. So we will not write 5 raised to power 1. So result is this. Okay, okay student, again, okay, there is a third sum. It is saying simplify. Okay, this is your 2 raised to power 2 upon 3. This is 2 raised to power 1 upon 5. So you know student, if there is a raised to power m into a raised to power n, so result is a raised to power m plus n. This is an identity. Similarly, there is a 2 raised to power 2 upon 3 plus 2 raised to power 1 upon 5. So result will be 2 raised to power 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. So result will be 2 raised to power, you will take an LCM. So this one becomes, you know, 3 5s are 10 and 5 3s are 3. So this is 2 raised to power 13 upon 15 answer. I think you have got it. Now I am going for second part of this sum. The second part is 1 upon 3 raised to power 3 and raised to power 7. Okay, so how to do this sum? Okay, so you know where बेटा a upon b अगर आपके पास है a upon b raised to power m, so you can write here a raised to power m upon b raised to power m. Similarly, this can be written as 1 raised to power 7 upon 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 7. So this is 1 upon. Similarly, again you have beta a raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power mn. So this is your 3 raised to power 3 into 7. This is 21. Okay, yeah, 3 into 7 like this. Okay, so this is your 1 upon 3 raised to power 21. This is your result. I think you have understand these two parts, and I am going to solve the next two parts remaining. Okay, student. Okay, student, this sum is 11 raised to power 1 for 2 upon 11 raised to power 1 upon 4. So you know the identity here, a raised to power m upon a raised to power n. Okay, this is your a raised to power m upon a raised to power n. So what to do? You can simply, okay, I want to tell you guys, you can multiply this, okay, and you can write here like this, a raised to power, okay, this is your m into a raised to power minus n, because this the power will be the change, okay, when it will, and the result will be the a raised to power m minus n. Okay, the result will be a raised to power m minus n. So similarly, this can be written here, at last you got this, so this one becomes 11 raised to power, this is your m, so m minus n 1 upon 4, so this one becomes 11 raised to power 1 upon 4 answer. Okay, student, next part you have to try yourself, and today I have completed your first chapter of your NCERT maths book from the 9th class. The chapter name is the number system. I cover the basics and the whole the 6 exercise in different videos. I think you will check them on those videos on the YouTube channel, and you will get, and if you have any kind of the doubt, you can ask me after writing your doubt in the comment box, and please like it, share it, and subscribe it, and follow me. Thank you.